Na nga, Mi, ang una natin ipapagawa sa kanya is yung letter sound. Very good. CB combination. Combination ng dalawang letter. Okay. Okay. Very good. Next. Very good. Next one. Next naman natin papagawa sa kanya is ang CBC family words. Sit. Sit ikaw. Okay. 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 Again? Very good. Natin papagawa mga miss itong mga short A phrases sa kanya. Okay? Very good. Very good. Next. Okay. 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 Very good. Next. Very good. Ayun lang mga mi, practice lang ng practice hanggang sa makuha na niya na bumilis siya, ganun lang.